All right, so quickly we'll be looking at highlighting data in Excel. The purpose of highlighting data in Excel is to help you to quickly identify duplicates, high performance, low performance, and also patterns in your data. Um, is one of the fastest way to analyze data at a glance. So it helps you to kind of have a mental picture of your data. And of course, we know that highlighting data is under conditional formatting in Excel. So you can also use the highlighting data to actually find duplicates. All right, you can also use it to find top values in Excel. You can also use it to find up bottom values in Excel. Other useful highlight options are above average. You can use it to highlight those that are above average, below average, and also between values. All right. So, of course, we'll be doing some exercises to actually showcase how these highlighting works in Excel. So, first of all, we'll start with finding duplicates. So, I'm going to grab this table for products and drop on Excel. Then we'll try to actually find duplicates here. All right, so I'm gonna grab this. I've pasted. So the task here is to highlight duplicates. All right, so I'm gonna expand this so that at least it's clear on what we're trying to achieve here. So the next thing we'll try to do is to highlight duplicates. As you can see, we have duplicates in this particular data I copied. So to make it showcase properly, you go to Home, Conditional Formatting, click on Highlight. All right, under Highlight, you click on Duplicate Values. All right. So as you can see, the duplicates are highlighted in red. We can start. We have rice appearing twice, and we also have beans appearing twice. All right, this is for duplicates. All right, so the next exercise we'll also be doing is to highlight top performers. All right, so I'm going to grab this particular table with Control C, and I'm going to drop that on Excel. So remember the task is to top two scores. We try to restrict it to top two scores. So I'm going to just write this top two. All right, so you can just quickly highlight the values. Go to Home as usual, click on Conditional Formatting. Under Highlights, you click on top two, okay? So let me show that again. Home, click on Home, Conditional Formatting. We also have top bottom rows. You click on top 10. So under this top 10, I'm going to change this to top 2 so that it highlights the top two values. And as you can see, the top two values here are 90 and 8. So that's why they're highlighted here. All right. So we'll also do some more exercises to actually showcase how these highlights works. So we also try to get bottom performance. That's the bottom performance. Those are that are listed on the table. So I'm going to grab this, drop on Excel. I'll also try to expand this so that we'll see it clearly. So bottom two values. All right. So I'm going to let me expand this. All right. So I'm going to highlight the values. Go to Home. Conditional formatting. Here I'll select bottom values. All right, bottom 10. I'll change the 10 here to 2 and click on OK. So we can start the bottom two are 30 and 20. All right, so this is for bottom two values. So we also try to check those are above or below average. All right, so I'm gonna grab this as well. All right, and drop on Excel. Drop. So I'm gonna tap the name this average above stroke below average. Right, so let's highlight the values. When you highlight the values, you go to Home, click on Conditional Formatting. All right, you click above average. So you can see we have two people above average. Let's also get those that are below average, also under conditional formatting, um, below average. So we can change the rows. Let me also show us how the manage rule works. Okay, let me just try to make it change this average. Let me change those that are above average, average to green instead. All right, so this is above average. You can just click edit rule. All right, formatting. Okay, so we can say, okay, those that are above average, we want the color to be green. Okay, and we also want the background, the fill background to be this. All right, so this is how you actually correct that. All right, so we can make these fonts to be darker so that it communicates better. Can choose this. All right, so this is just how to handle above or below average in Excel. All right, so we also do maybe one more exercise. Let's do between, those that are between. So you can grab this and go over to Excel and drop this particular table. So here we want to get those that are between 50 and 80. All right, go to home, conditional formatting one more time. All right, click look for between. All right, so here we have cell that contains between. You can say between 50 and 80. Highlight them as, we can also use green for this particular highlighting. So we can make the text green and make the fill to be this, or maybe this. Click OK. Let's know why it's not showcasing properly. Click on manage rules again. So here we are saying for this, those that are between 50 and 80. All right, so edit rule. All right, perfect. So we can see that we've highlighted those that are between 50 and 80. So this is how conditional formatting works in Excel. So I hope that this is well understood. Cheers.